Good morning, student. Today I am going to start class 8 physics. Chapter is force and pressure. The first topic is force. In force we have discussed turning force. What is turning force? The force which can rotate a body about the axis passing through a fixed point is called turning force. Example, a spanner used to tighten a nut. The second topic is moment of force, which is also known as torque. What is moment of force? A turning effect of a force acting on a body about an axis passing through a fixed point is called moment of force or torque. In this figure, O is a fixed point, so the axis of rotation, you show that the perpendicular distance between axis of rotation and a fixed point. A, point of application of force, line of action of force. So moment of force is equal to product of the magnitude of the force and the perpendicular distance of the line of action of the force from the axis of rotation. The distance between axis of rotation and line of action of force is called D, and F, it is known as F is known as force of the force, magnitude of force. So unit of force is Newton and unit of distance is meter. Newton meter is the unit of moment of force, and moment of force is a vector quantity. Some application of moment of force. First, a spanner or wrench used to loosen or tighten a nut has a long handle because long arm produces more torque even by applying less force. Second, handle of the door provided near the free end of the door. These are the examples or application of moment of force. The next topic is pressure. Pressure is defined as the force acting on unit area. Force acting on unit area is called, so the unit of force, pressure is equal to force by area. That means the SI unit of force is Newton and the SI unit of area is meter square. Newton meter square is the unit of pressure, which is also called Pascal. The Blaise Pascal is a French scientist who has discovered the hydrostatic pressure. So Pascal is the unit of pressure. The bigger unit of pressure is Pascal is kilopascal. 1 kilopascal is equal to 1000 Pascal. The factors of pressure. First, magnitude of force, and second, the area of the surface. Magnitude of force is directly proportional to force. If force is increased, then pressure will also increase. Area of the surface is inversely proportional to pressure. If surface area is increased, then pressure will decrease, and if the surface area will decrease, the pressure will increase. Some applications of pressure in our daily life. Sharp knife is more effective than blunt knife because the sharp has small area, which creates more pressure, because area is inversely proportional to pressure. So area decrease, pressure increase. Some of the more examples in which you have understand the application of in our daily life.